everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope all are fine, stay safe and stay happy. In this video, we'll see how to make an idli milagai powder. So for that, some ingredients have to be roasted in oil while other are to be dry roasted. Let me dry roast the ingredients. First, take 1/4 cup of white sesame seeds. You may use black sesame seeds as well. Let it roast slowly. Don't add sesame seeds directly. The raw taste will be unpleasant and it will be bitter. It is mandatory to dry roast it. As much as possible, roast it on a low flame and remove the kadai in between from the flame and fry using the pan's heat. Because it changes its color quickly, the desired flavor of the sesame seeds won't be brought out. See, next I am adding 1/4 cup of chana dal, same as sesame seeds. Dry roast it slowly till it turns golden. It will take 3 to 4 minutes for it to roast to the required level. And if you add it to the non-heated pan and then try to roast it, it will take 7 to 8 minutes surely. Since I have added it to a hot pan, I have roasted this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Third one, I am adding 1/2 cup of urad dal or double the amount of chana dal. Chana dal is easier to roast on all sides because of its shape. But urad dal is not like that. Have to be very careful while roasting this. Make sure to brown on all sides. The important thing which you should keep in mind at this stage, the slower it cooks and turns color, the better flavor of the milagai powder you will get. So roast patiently every granule till it turns brown for the best possible idli milagai powder. The moisture content in dal should completely disappear for the powder to come out fine. Here I am adding a tablespoon of oil. Here is 1 teaspoon of pepper. Then 1 teaspoon of jeera. Gently roast it. You may even roast it without oil, but I like to roast with oil. Here I am adding a fist of curry leaves, that is a handful of curry leaves. Roast until curry leaves turns crispy. So with the same oil I am going to roast chilies. See, here I have taken 8 normal chili and 10 mangalore chili or baigadi or begadi. I am not sure about the name. The chili is for color. Roast it gently and transfer it. After that, add 1 teaspoon of asafoetida. Once it cools down, grind it to the fine powder. Here it is ready. Tasty idli milagai powder. Now I am going to make podi dosa with the powder which we made fresh now. Sorry, I forgot to say one important thing which you should keep in mind before grinding the idli milagai powder. That is, first grind those red chilies which we roasted. Grind those red chilies into a fine powder. After it turns fine powder, add the rest of the ingredients like those dals. Rest of the ingredients to the jar and continue grinding for another 2 minutes. This is because only red chilies have to be fine. The rest of the ingredients have to be slightly coarse, so that it will be very good when we are eating with idli or dosa. See, this idli milagai powder is very good for health since it doesn't have any additives. And also we can say it is protein rich because we have added chana dal, urad dal, sesame seeds. So all those ingredients which is good for health. And above all these things, the one important thing, the most important thing about this idli milagai powder is, it is homemade. So anything or everything which is homemade is happiness and also healthy. So try to make this idli milagai powder in your home and let me know how you liked it. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe.